Navigating life's choices. Understanding, I'm at a crossroads. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that vividly captures a moment many of us face in life: I'm at a crossroads. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your English conversations. Let's unpack what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your own life. When someone says, "I'm at a crossroads," they're not talking about standing in the middle of an intersection, looking left and right before crossing the street. Instead, they're using a powerful metaphor to describe a point in their life where they must make a significant decision. This decision usually involves choosing between two or more paths, each leading to different outcomes or destinations. The imagery of a crossroads evokes a sense of pause and contemplation. It suggests that the choice at hand is not trivial. It's a pivotal moment that could shape the course of one's life. The concept of being at a crossroads is not new. It has deep roots in literature, mythology, and folklore, often symbolizing a place of decision-making, change, or transformation. In many cultures, crossroads were considered magical or sacred spaces where different realms or possibilities intersected. In modern English, we use "I'm at a crossroads" to express that we're facing a tough decision. It could be about career paths, relationships, personal growth, or any other significant life change. The phrase beautifully conveys the weight of these moments and the uncertainty that comes with them. To help you understand how to use this expression, let's look at a few examples. 1. Career. After 5 years in the same job, I feel like I'm at a crossroads. I need to decide whether to seek a promotion or start my own business. 2. Education. Finishing my undergraduate degree has put me at a crossroads. Should I enter the workforce or pursue a master's degree? 3. Relationships. I'm at a crossroads with my long-term relationship. We need to decide whether to work through our issues or go our separate ways. These examples show that being at a crossroads can apply to various aspects of life, emphasizing the importance of the choices we make. Understanding the phrase, "I'm at a crossroads," enriches your English vocabulary with a powerful way to express the complexity of life's decisions. It's a reminder that, while such moments can be daunting, they also offer opportunities for growth and change. We hope this explanation helps you navigate your own crossroads more confidently. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.